To generate slides, first click on the Generate button. Then select the card based on how many slides you want to create. After that, enter the topic you want to create slides about. Once you have entered the topic, select the size option as traditional. Now click on Generate Outline. The outline will start generating. If everything looks correct, click on Generate. The slide generation process will begin. Wait for a few moments. The AI will automatically generate all the slides for you. As you can see, our slides are now ready. The slide generation process is complete. You can see that all the slides look correct. Now we will export the presentation. Download it as a PowerPoint PPT file. Then open the file to check how the slides look. As you can see, everything looks perfect. If you want to create more presentation slides like this, you can use this website. The website link and a detailed guide are available in my description box. You can check them out from there. Thank you for watching.